Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to explore a fascinating topic: how the Greeks laid the foundations of geography, while the Germans built its structure. This idea captures the essence of how geography evolved over time, from ancient philosophical concepts to the scientific and systematic approach we know today. Let's dive into the contributions made by these two civilizations and see how they shaped the discipline of geography. Let's start with the Greeks. The ancient Greek thinkers were the pioneers of geographic thought. They laid the philosophical foundations for geography. Philosophers like Pythagoras and Plato developed early ideas about the shape and size of the earth. This laid the groundwork for geographical thought. One of the most famous Greek philosophers, Aristotle, argued that the earth was spherical based on observational evidence, like the shape of the earth's shadow on the moon during a lunar eclipse. These early ideas paved the way for understanding the physical world and our place in it. Greek geographers also made significant advances in mapping and cartography. For example, Anaximander created some of the first maps of known regions, helping to visualize spatial relationships. And then there was Eratosthenes, who not only calculated the Earth's circumference but also laid down principles for measuring distances, helping make maps more accurate. In the 2nd century CE, the Greek geographer Ptolemy further refined geographic knowledge by introducing the concepts of latitude and longitude, providing a method for mapping the Earth accurately. Now, let's move to the 19th century and talk about the German scholars who took geography to the next level by turning it into a scientific discipline. German geographers like Alexander von Humboldt and Karl Ritter made geography more systematic and empirical. Humboldt introduced the idea of studying natural environments through detailed observations, combining elements of meteorology, biology, and geology. Karl Ritter, his contemporary, focused on organizing geographical knowledge and emphasized that geography should look at both physical and human aspects. Together, they systematized geography and moved away from philosophical ideas to practical, observational science. In fact, the Germans were instrumental in establishing spatial analysis as a core part of geographical study, focusing on understanding relationships between different geographical phenomena. The Greek and German contributions together highlight the interdisciplinary nature of geography. Geography is not just about places, it integrates fields like mathematics, astronomy, geology, and even human studies. The Greek focus on understanding the Earth's shape and cultural context laid the philosophical groundwork, while the German focus on systematic study and scientific methods transformed geography into a formal academic discipline. Today, the legacy of Greek and German scholars continues. Modern geography has evolved with advancements in technology, including GIS, geographic information systems, remote sensing, and climate science, all of which reflect the interdisciplinary nature of geography. Geography today addresses global challenges like climate change, urbanization, and social inequality, building on both the Greek philosophical foundations and the German scientific structure. In conclusion, the Greeks gave us the ideas and the framework for understanding the world, while the Germans provided the scientific methods and structure that shaped geography into the discipline we study today. Together, these contributions highlight how geography has evolved over centuries, combining both human and environmental studies to give us a deeper understanding of our planet.